Same exact one as last time, so 13 I'm pretty sure. No, it doesn't. We are just running to the Smiler. We've just got the photo pass. We are literally just running to the Smiler. Oh, memories or just right? No. We are just running towards the Smiler. There's Spinball Wizard. And we've already run out of energy.
No, it's so cute.
First impressions. It's there. First impressions on the best ride in Miami. Oh, we're about to go. We're gonna ride that. Opinions?
I love it already.
Hell yeah.
La la la.
There it is. Did you get marmalade in your body and
You don't even need to finish it, just be out.
Here it comes.
You're gonna like to get the
Here we go.
Shall we?
Let's go. So here's 13, and a train is stuck on the lift hill over there. You can't really see it, but that sucks. Well, update, they are getting evacuated. That's sad. Updates on that. They have windows. That's kind of all I know. Yeah. People. Quite a thing over there. Can't get on my camera. There are multiple people at the entrance over there. That's worth an update. Hell yeah. But like, look at Galactica's lift hill compared to the rest of the ride. Yeah. It's like, did Galactica get a repaint, but then just avoid the lift hill, or a retrack? I mean, I very happily doubt so. A retrack. Anyways, Fox K is closed, so that sucks.
Why is it closed, folks?
Yeah, it's. Oh no, it's still wet. Great camera work, JP. But yeah, like the lift hill compared to the rest of the track just looks so much worse. But oh well, let's go ride air. Guys, Galactica has its second station open. The lights are off as well, and some stuff are bad. But damn, they've actually got the second station open. Bloody hell. Yeah. That's testing still. Yeah. That's been tested for a couple of days now. 4 days till it opens. Yay. Oblivion is testing. Yeah. Hopefully that reopens. But yeah, we're back to Smiler. I spent £94 without my money.
180.
True. But you got 2 hoodies and three hoodies.
I'm wearing one of them.
True. It's really cool, so if I could show that thing, would that be good?
Yeah, that's fine.
Hell yeah. But yeah.
The Smiler will mobilize your body and mind.
Start for testing.
No noise.
And then it's got to come out there.
It's your vlog.
Memories, yes.
Woo!
The milliseconds. Welcome. But we got on. Yeah. No. As a photo. Hi guys, so this is the monster van we've got added. I forgot when.
Monster Energy! Nemesis, no! It doesn't give you wings like Red Bull.
Not sponsored. Wait, this. Ow. Hit my head. The screens have been frozen by the way for a while.